Mahirap nga bang makakuha ng kondo sa BGC? Op! Teka lang, check this video. For as low as 12K per month, you can already own a studio unit with balcony inside Uptown Bonifacio. Ang galing, di ba? 6 years to pay with annual lump sum, no down payment, and no interest. This is Uptown Modern, the highest and the last residential condo inside Uptown Bonifacio. This project offers comfortability, security, and convenience. Bakit? Malapit lang naman ito sa Uptown Mall, Uptown Parade, Landers Mall, and the newest Japanese department store sa BGC, which is the Mitsukoshi Mall. This project is located at 9th Avenue, corner 40th Street, Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. Very accessible via Ortigas BGC Link Bridge, C5, and EDSA. 40 minutes away lang din sa NAIA. Investment friendly dahil surrounded